I've paid my dues time after time. I've done my sentence but committed no crime. And bad mistakes I've made a few. I've had my shadows and kicks in my face, but I've come through. I need to go on, 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 on. We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions. We are the champions.
Hey, what's up, you guys? So my fan's still on. Sorry about that. I forgot to put my loud fan on low. Anyway, it's about time I make a blowout video. I just wasn't able to for a bit. Today I'm finally able to. It'll be just a small one though, so it won't be that big. So oh well. So today the theme is, sorry, I'm just cleaning up here a bit. Today the theme is small, just around the house speakers. So yeah, let's see what we got. Hate when this bag goes by the guitars like that. This guy, another one of these crappy toy speakers. And then, y'all wouldn't think I would do this, but of course, hang on. Here's another preview. We gotta deal with these at some point, but two more of these are about to come out at some point, so I might as well just wait until that happens before I do this video. So there should be 5 of those. So there should be 4 of those total, and this guy. So 5 total in that video. But yeah. It's just kind of a preview. I'm not going to do those yet until I get the other 2 of those. So of course we got that little crappy green speaker. And we also have this Jam Thrill. It's going to thrill us for blowouts. You get it. But yeah. I had to... You never believe where this is from. This is actually from my stepdad, believe it or not. This is one of his speakers for a while. And I guess he liked it, he just kept it, but the charger port broke, so I had to fix it. I had to straight wire it to fix it, but kinda wish I didn't, because it sounds like crap. And I did say I was gonna give it to someone. Well, I changed my mind, because it just doesn't sound very good. Even my homemade boombox over here sounded better. As a matter of fact, I need to do a video on that. Plus, I also got another Scoob video to react to, so I got 3 videos coming, and then 2 more blowout videos coming. Then I don't know when they're coming, but yeah. So this will do a fast motion montage of me taking the jam thing apart. Yeah. What do we got for blowouts? That thing and those two. Cool. Alright. Alright. And we're all set to go as long as whenever I get into this. I say it better turn on. Let's turn it down. Put this on. It's buffering. There we go. What the? Does this thing not work? Does the speaker not work? Yeah, it's going to the right channel. Right for the front. There you go. It should be going. Yes, no, it doesn't work. Or is it the phone? Phone's all the way up. It was playing. Hang on. I finally found out the problem. This speaker was already it just didn't work. I don't know why. It looks like it would still work. That's weird. I guess we're just gonna have to go onto one of those. What the? Geez, that must be one of the toughest paper desk caps ever. Oh well. Mass excursion. Not for long. Oh. Stop moving. Well, I smell it. What the? This thing shut the amp off. Oops. I'm gonna set everything back now. Dang it. That on. Everything's up. What the heck? Now this just keeps shutting the amp off. I guess that's its protection, I guess you can say. I hear it. So it's turning up slowly. See how that does. Jeez. Alright. Let's see how bass LW does it. It's getting ridiculous. It just keeps shutting my amp off. Come on. Yeah, this amp doesn't want to blow speakers. I don't think I should use this amp for the blow speakers, because this is going to keep doing that. I guess we have no choice but to give these things the big boy 120. Give these things the big boy 120. Alright. Geez, I know what you're thinking. It's just so crappy that these 3-watt things won't blow on the dual amp. So I'm gonna have to up the ante and just give these things big boy 120. But it's been just so crappy, I had to take a break. I had to clean up a bit. So now it's to the point where I'm actually getting kind of tired from all that. So I'm having my orange juice breaks. Cheers. Like I said, 3-watt thing wouldn't blow on the dual amp, which is actually stupid. But then again, the dual amp just kept shutting off, and it somehow wasn't able to blow, even if it wouldn't just shut off like that. So again, big boy 120. Good luck! Jeez. Jeez. Still going? Nope. Jeez. It's off, okay. It's a bad idea. Because you have my window open. Not very crunchy. Let's see what's inside of this thing. What the heck is up with that coil? It looks like there's a bunch of paper there, which is pretty weird. Trying to get the lighting right. This thing is a piece of crap. Well, the speaker and the tablet I'm recording with. Oh well. Get out of there. Script. And there that goes. Let's see what this other guy does. Dang it. This stupid shots. Where are you? Okay. Yeah, I'm just not going to even trust it with the amp on this one either. So we're just going to do big boy 120 on this one too. Jeez. Seems like incredibly, horribly loud, and this crap's trying to get in. Went out. Jeez. And there's Austin yelling at this video game. Okay. Ooh, this one, whoa. I was gonna say it was locked up for a second, but no, it's not completely locked, but it's still just to where it's done. But these still keep being so loud for some reason. That was weird. Let's see what's inside that one. Well, that's about it for these stupid things. These stupid jam thrill drivers. The smoke shit. When used on the amp, these weren't very thrilling. However, they were quite the thrilling on the Big Boy 120. And loud at the same time. It's actually stupid that they were loud, but at least we got a show out of them. But now my room's gonna smell like crap. So wish me luck getting all the smell out before anyone comes home. Yeah. Cool. I don't know, should I keep this? Sorry, this thing didn't work. That was stupid though, it should have. No reason for it to not work. It wouldn't break either. Yeah, right. Yeah. Come on. Screw it. Oh well. That's kind of a waste of time. Oh well. You guys be sure to have yourselves a nice freaking day.